All right, so that's halfway. Okay. So we can go out and be done this way, yeah, up and around, or we can go this way, which is another half mile, 0.6 maybe. Probably my favorite stretch in all of Clinton is right here.
I'm no quitter, so let's do it. Not gonna say I ain't gonna walk some of it, but let's do it.
For the most part, this is mostly downhill from here.
Mm-hmm.
The climb out's tough.
Yeah.
I think there's one other section that goes up. There's one more bridge. There's one more drop about yay big. You gotta come off of it. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. It's super fast if you want it to be.
Oh, that won't happen.
You want to go?
No.
I'll follow.
No.
I won't pass you.
No. You go. Because I've been following you because I've been really looking down on the floor.
Well, you can only go one way from here, which is good. There's no side trails. So we've gone about 1.5 miles since we left the cars.
Huh?
So we've gone 1.5 miles since we left the cars. Just under a half hour. Okay. So when you get going, this is a fun little curve. You know, it goes up and around and cuts back.
Okay.
But gotta trust the bike, man. That's it though, you gotta just try it, right? Can't do it if you don't try. Something caught in your tire? Yeah, a leaf. That's a fun little stretch. I'm sure you can imagine when you get going.
Yeah.
Like that's just, it's all downhill.
I think one of my problems is the gears. I don't really know how to click these gears. I'm clicking them at the wrong time. I'll get it.
Another bridge right here. Yep. Hey man, if you go down on a bridge, I gotta catch it. You're right. You're right, I got greedy. Alright, so this one's gonna come up here, up to the right a little bit. You're gonna go over a big tree trunk.
Okay.
Right after that, not right after, but fairly close, there's that where that drop is.
Okay.
I would take it and just lean back. Just lean back.
I'll see how it looks.
Don't go too slow, you'll scare yourself. But if you go too slow, you also got potential going over the handlebars.
Okay.
So you want to be going with some kind of speed, and then you pull up on the handlebars, lean back. Don't like rip them up, but certainly give it some tension so your bike comes out and then falls flat. You know what I mean?
Let's try it.
See, a lot of times when you're falling, it's because you're going too slow.
Huh?
A lot of times when you're falling, you're going too slow.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you just don't have that momentum for the bike to push.
But my, like on that tree trunk, I was going over it, but my pedal hit it.
That's what I was saying, remember?
Yeah.
Try and coast.
Over.
You pedal all the way up to it, and then bring it flat over it, and then keep pedaling.
Okay.
So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a log rolling right across the path. So that's where that drop is.
Not today. Not today on that one.
So now pretty much starts to climb out.
Okay. No way. I would have definitely fallen.
I'm telling you, it's just all about trusting the bike. You know, knowing it's going to do the right thing.
All right. So let me go because I got to pick up speed on this one. You gotta have crazy speed to get up there.
Determination. So that log right there is where I got that cut in the back of my leg. It's still been there like 3 months. Yeah, called the tire. The root was wet. Tire slipped out and I fell backward.
Is that on?
Yeah.
It's the crap he's got me doing. Just when he shows you guys this bullshit.
Just because you can't handle it.
Whew. It's like I'm just not trusting it.
It's a confidence thing, there's no doubt.
Yeah. Most of the time we got to pick up speed, especially when I hit these walls.
Well, and the first time I enter your trail is always cautious.
Is this the climb?
Yeah, I mean, so it's a long section, especially when you've done that first section all by, you know, you're hustling, and you get here and your legs are already tired.
Call out. It's the PTO time.
You got tomorrow off. You're more than welcome to take Tuesday off as long as you take the rest of the week and month.
Can't do that. PTO time. I know. I got the 1-800 number.
Hey, you can do whatever you want to do.
All right. Let's do it.